Q5331. Refer to the excerpt from the following METAR report. KTUS 08004 KT4SM HC26/04 2995 RMK RA36. At approximately what altitude AGL should bases of convective type cumuliform clouds be expected? A. 4,400 feet. B. 8,800 feet. C. 17,600 feet. The correct answer is B. The METAR report for KTUS shows that the temperature at the surface is 26 degrees Celsius and the dew point is 10 degrees Celsius. This means that the air is unstable and there is a potential for convective-type cumuliform clouds to form. The base of convective-type cumuliform clouds is typically found at the level where the temperature and dew point are equal. In this case, the temperature at the surface is 26 degrees Celsius and the dew point is 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the base of the convective-type cumuliform clouds will be found at 8,800 feet AGL. 5347, which is true regarding a cold front occlusion. The air ahead of the warm front, A, is colder than the air behind the overtaking cold front. B, is warmer than the air behind the overtaking cold front. C, has the same temperature as the air behind the overtaking cold front. The correct answer is B. The coldest air is found beneath the cold front in a cold front occlusion. When it passes the warm front, it raises it to the air's surface, where cold air replaces cool air. 5347-1. You have delayed your flight to allow a fast-moving cold front to clear your destination airport before your arrival. What type of flying conditions would you expect after the front has passed? A. A fast-moving squall line with high winds and thunderstorms. B. Clear skies with gusty, turbulent winds and cooler temperatures. C. Low clouds, reduced visibility, and showery, misty conditions. The correct answer is A. Although they are not usually connected to cold fronts, thunderstorms and heavy rain are frequently experienced. 5339. The presence of standing lenticular altocumulus clouds is a good indication of A. Lenticular ice formation in calm air. B. Very strong turbulence. C. Heavy icing conditions. The correct answer is B. Standing lenticular altocumulus clouds form when air is forced to rise over mountains, indicating strong turbulence. Pilots should avoid flying through them or be prepared for turbulence. 5357. When flying low over hilly terrain, ridges, or mountain ranges, the greatest potential danger from turbulent air currents will usually be encountered on the A. Leeward side when flying with a tailwind. B. Leeward side when flying into the wind. C. Windward side when flying into the wind. The correct answer is B. When flying low over hilly terrain, ridges, or mountain ranges, the greatest potential danger from turbulent air currents will usually be encountered on the leeward side when flying into the wind. This is because the air is forced to rise as it passes over the mountains, and the turbulence is created as the air falls back down on the leeward side. The windward side is generally less turbulent because the air is moving up the slope of the mountain, which creates a stabilizing effect. However, there can still be turbulence on the windward side, especially if the wind is strong. Pilots should be aware of the potential for turbulence when flying over hilly terrain, ridges, or mountain ranges. They should fly at a safe altitude and be prepared for sudden changes in airspeed and altitude.